In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in monday.com. To get started, head into your monday.com workspace and look for the plus icon beside the workspace name. This is where you can create something new, and in this case, we're going to use it to set up a board that helps you organize several projects in one place. If you're managing work across different teams, clients, or timelines, starting from the correct board type makes everything much easier to track later on. Once you click the plus icon, choose New Multi-Level Board. This option is especially useful when you need to manage multiple projects with more structure, because it allows you to organize work in a way that feels more layered and scalable. Instead of keeping everything flat and crowded on a single list, a multi-level board gives you a cleaner setup for handling larger workflows. After that, type in your board name. Choose a name that clearly reflects what the board will be used for. For example, you'll want something specific enough that you can recognize it instantly later, especially if your workspace contains many boards. A clear naming convention can save time and reduce confusion when your project list grows. Next, select the privacy type for the board. This part is important because it controls who can view and work inside the board. You'll want to choose the option that best fits the kind of collaboration you need. If the board is meant for a broad team, one setting may make more sense, while a more restricted option is better for sensitive or limited access work. Taking a moment here helps ensure the right people have access from the beginning. From there, select what you're managing in this board. Monday.com uses this choice to tailor the board setup to your workflow. Since the goal is to manage multiple projects, make sure you pick the option that best matches that purpose. This helps the platform create a more relevant starting structure, which can make setup faster and more intuitive. Finally, click Create. Once you do that, your new multi-level board will open and be ready for customization. At this point, you've successfully created the foundation for managing multiple projects in monday.com. A strong board setup is the first step toward keeping deadlines, responsibilities, and progress organized in one central place. And that's it. With just a few quick choices, you can create a board designed to support more complex project management and make your workspace much easier to navigate.